Hi there, this is Ritesh and welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to manage AWS infrastructure using SAM. For those of you who don't know about SAM, it's a open source framework for building serverless application. So for you guys who don't know much about SAM, you can go to the documentation and there you can get all the required information that is needed for you to get started. And also to use SAM, you have to install few things and you have to configure few things. That all things are mentioned in the document. So please go through the documentation. Uh, so in my system, I have done all the setup. So I'm good to go. Uh, I'll show you what all things you are going to need. So first thing is you need AWS account. Then you have to configure your AWS credential to your system. Then Docker is optional. It depends on you whether you want or not. Then the next thing is AWS SAM CLI. So after doing all this setup, you can start building SAM application. So I'm going to show you how you can create one SAM application and how you can deploy it to AWS. So let's go to my directory first. Yeah. So here I'm going to create one SAM application. For that, you have to do SAM init. This command will this will generate a SAM code for you. Let me quickly create one code base. So I'm going with the first option here because I want my code to be zipped and uploaded to S3. I'm going with NodeJS. Then I'll name it SAM test. Yeah, this will clone a code base for me. Let it complete. So I'm going with hello world example. Yeah, so this has generated my code. Sorry, the name is SAM test. I'm going to open it. Yeah, so for this demo, I'm using my VS Code. You can use whatever editor you want. So if you open the code base, this is the directory structure. So here you'll find events, then your application, one readme file, then you'll get template YAML file. So here it contains lot of code which I'll explain in my later video. So the purpose of this video just to demonstrate how you can build and deploy it. So this template YAML file, this is basically a configuration file. It defines your application and it defines your resources. And from here, you can manage all of it. So I'm going to show you how you can build this application and how you can deploy it to AWS. So open up your terminal. I hope you all have done the AWS credential setup in your system. After that, you are good to go. So the first thing is you have to do SAM build. This is a CLI command which basically builds your code base. And if you'll notice, this command will generate one AWS SAM directory here. This is the directory. This is the build directory. So let it complete. This usually takes a few minutes. As my code is less, it won't take that much time. Yeah, so build is complete. After that, you have other options like either you can invoke this locally or you can deploy it to AWS cloud. So for the sake of this video, I'm going with the deployment part. So copy this one, then you have to do guided. This profile is optional for you guys. As I'm handling multiple AWS account in my system, that's why I'm using profile. Yeah, so you just need SAM deploy guided. And if you notice, this command will create one 2ml file, which I'll show you shortly. So first thing here is you have to specify the stack name. And remember, this name should be unique. I'm going to name it SAM demo 1. After that, you have to specify your region, AWS region. I'm going to use the same one. So I'll hit enter. After that, it will ask confirm changes before deployment. Do you want this feature in your application while deployment or not? I'm going to say it yes. After that, uh, it needs permission for role creation. I'll give yes, yes, save argument, yes. Yeah, after that, this whole configuration, whatever you have provided, this will be saved in SAM2ML file. So hit enter, then it's asking for environment. I'll go with the default one for now. Yeah, this will start the process. This will upload this AWS SAM directory to AWS cloud. It will basically go to CloudFormation. I won't talk about CloudFormation much here. In my later video, maybe I'll cover that part. So let's wait till it's complete. Yeah, so it is asking for your consent. I'm going with yes. The started deployment. So the deployment is successful. If you are interested in knowing what it has done, you can go through the log, and here you'll get what it has done. It has created a IAM role, then it has created Lambda function, it has created your API gateway. It has done a lot of operation, which I'm not going to cover in this video. So let's see what it has done. So as you can see, it has successfully deployed. So how to validate whether it has deployed or not? So for that, you can go to your AWS console. From there, you can go to CloudFormation. If you're not getting CloudFormation option here, you can search it from here also. You'll get the option here. And if you see here, now your stack is listed here. This is the stack which got deployed just now. If you see the time also, it matches. So if you go inside to this stack, you will see all the resources which were deployed via your application. So there is one Lambda function. Similarly, these are the roles which was created by AWS SAM. Then there is a API gateway. And this code is been uploaded to S3. If you go to S3, you can validate it. Yeah, here you can see this is your code base which got uploaded via SAM. In my further videos, I'll explain more about the concept and this configuration, how it works. And also I'll show you how you can write your own Lambda, your own resources, and how you can deploy it to AWS Cloud. So stay tuned with my channel, and I hope this video might have helped to you. If you find this video useful to you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you, guys.